everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to withdraw USDT from Binance to Bybit. So if you also want to withdraw USDT from Binance to Bybit, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Binance application. You can see over here Binance application is opened. Make sure you're logged into your wallet. If you want to withdraw any kind of crypto from Binance to other platform, you'll have to verify your identity first. If your identity verification is not completed, you'll not be able to do so. You can see over here my identity verification is not completed, so I'll not be able to withdraw it, but I'll guide you through what to do. So what you have to do is tap on the wallet icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you'll be led to your wallet interface. Over there, you'll be able to see the option for withdraw. All you have to do is tap on it. If you do not see the wallet icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, what you have to do is look at the top left corner. Over there, you'll be able to see the icon containing the Binance logo. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here also, you'll be able to find the option for withdraw. All you have to do is tap on it. But since my identity verification is not completed, I'm not being able to see the option right over here. After you tap on the withdraw option, you'll be led to another interface. Over there, you'll have to enter the address, select the network, and also enter the withdrawal amount. In order to enter the address, what you have to do is launch open the Bybit application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you look at the bottom, you can see several icons over here: home, markets, derivatives, spot, and assets. All you have to do is tap on the assets option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you can find the option for deposit, withdraw, transfer, convert, giveaway, easy buy, etc. All you have to do is tap on the deposit option that you can see at the first. Now you'll have to select the payment method. At last, you'll be able to see the option for deposit crypto. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now what you have to do is search for USDT over here. Simply tap on the search bar. Now type in USDT. Now over here, you'll be able to find the option for USDT. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll have to choose the chain type. Select the option of your choice. After that, you'll be able to see your wallet address over here. You can also see the QR. You can also deposit through QR. But since you need the address, all you have to do is copy the address. Simply tap on the copy icon that you can see right next to the address. Now the address has been copied successfully. Now you'll have to go back to the Binance application. Now over there, what you have to do is paste the address that you had copied earlier. Now you'll have to select the network. Select the same network that we selected earlier in the Bybit. Now also enter the withdrawal amount. After that, tap on the withdraw option that you'll be able to see on your screen. Now you might also have to complete the verification. Simply enter the Google Authenticator code. And after that, your withdrawal will be processed. And after that, you'll be able to withdraw USDT from Binance to Bybit. So that is how you withdraw USDT from Binance to Bybit. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.